Hey, what's up guys? I just want to go over something that's been super clutch in keeping my motorcycle and my scooter safe at night, and that is a disc brake lock. And this fits 99% of traditional drilled brake rotors. Unless you've had some special modifications done to your bike or scooter, this should fit. I got it on Amazon for about 25 bucks. It only weighs about a pound, which is excellent. But the reason why this device is so great is because once it's on your brake rotor, it's actually motion activated. So if I engage it, and I'll show you in a second, it has an alarm, an audible alarm. It rings up to 110 decibels. So if someone even touches your scooter or your motorcycle or anything, it's going to make a loud alarm noise and it's going to deter them. There's no way they can cut through this device without it ringing, let alone just touching it. Okay, and I'll give you an example of what it sounds like in a second. This is made of forged stainless steel. It's waterproof, it's rust proof, and it comes with 6 batteries already installed inside it, as well as an extra 6. And to replace the batteries, I still haven't had to. It's been over a year. It's got these 4 little little spots, and it comes with a little mini Allen wrench, and you can unscrew it yourself. There's no way a thief could unscrew it without activating the alarm, so that doesn't make sense. But it does come with 3 of these keys and a little case. So after you take it off your bike or scooter, you can put it in the little carrying case, toss it in your bag, so that way your bag doesn't get a little dirty or whatnot. You can see mine's been through some wear and tear. But what it also comes with is this is called a reminder cable. And what you do is you put the brake on your rotor, the lock on your rotor, and you put the reminder cable on your handlebar, so that way you see it and you don't start riding and then get stopped immediately. All right, so I'll show you, just an example on my bicycle here. First thing you want to do when you put your lock on is you want to get the reminder cable and you want to attach that to your grip of your handlebar. All right, this gives you a visual reminder before you start riding that, hey, I still have my lock brake attached to my rotor. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you have the reminder cable attached. We want to get our actual disc brake lock and we're going to attach it to the rotor. If you can imagine, there's a rotor here. And then the next thing you want to do is just simply press in the button to activate the alarm, and you're going to hear a beep. All right, that lets you know that not only is the battery still alive, but the lock is activated. All right, and you can see this goes all the way up, and we have the reminder cable attached to the handlebar. So if anyone touches this lock, it's going to beep, it's going to ring, and it's going to be loud. All right, and all you have to do to deactivate it is you get your key. You have to be quick because it's gonna beep if you don't do it quickly. But when you want to take it off, you simply get your key, stick it in, twist, and now it's free. All right, it did beep a few times, but if you let it go for a few more seconds, it's gonna ring loud. I'll show you real quick. So once again, we just attach it, we activate it, press in the button. Now it's active. Say I were to someone trying to steal my bike, they're trying to fumble around, first it beeps, gives them a warning, touch it again, that's going off. Now we have to stop it. All right, I'm sorry for your ears, but that's how loud it gets. All right, so really, if anyone's trying to steal this bike, your scooter, your motorcycle, your baby, they're gonna hear that sound, they're gonna start running. All right, so yeah, this lock is excellent. I'll put a link in the description below, and then you can pick up your own. But yeah, for 25 bucks, it's a great way to keep your bike safe and sound and then let you sleep easy at night. All right, guys. Well, I hope this video is helpful. If you found it enjoyable, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Catch you later. Bye.